And in these sessions we are going to discuss about magnetically coupled networks. Basically, this particular magnetically coupled networks will be useful in theorems also, and magnetically coupled network will be very much useful in transients also, because in recent times they are combining magnetically coupled with theorems, kind of when you have magnetically coupled networks, how to find Thevenin's equivalent. Okay, if it is ideal transformer, how to find Thevenin's equivalent, or different equivalent circuits and all they are asking. And the next thing is it transients also, it will be much useful. Okay, now coming to magnetically coupled networks, if you see overall view, three things we should know. What are those? Means its nature, but is all these three things are related to nature only. Okay, kind of whenever you have electrical current, associated magnetic field will be there around it, and discovered by Eirsted. Okay, and see that means you have to understand one thing here. Before Eirsted also it was there. Okay, it's nature. How it is being produced, it is not required for us. Whenever you have electrical current, associated magnetic field will be there. It's a nature. And second thing is, means that particular magnitude of current and magnitude of flux are directly related. I is directly proportional to pi. If it is linear network, and fortunately our entire network theory is linear only, so I is directly proportional to pi given by ampere. That's also nature only. Okay, how it is happening we need not think. And third thing is Faraday's law. If any electrical conductor is influenced by change of magnetic field, some voltage will be induced in that electrical conductor. That's also nature only. How it is happening? It's there in nature. Okay, now means fourth thing is dots. Okay, dot convention. And fifth thing is, without dots also, means we will be able to model magnetically coupled networks or magnetically induced voltages with current controlled voltage source. Okay, how to model that? Means we are going to take first of all with sense of the winding, direction of the winding. Means if the what do you say, core is here, are we going to wind in this direction or in this direction, opposite direction? Sense of the winding we say, direction of the winding we say. So from sense of the winding also we are going to derive equations, and the sense of the winding we are going to convert into dot convention. From dot convention also we are going to derive equations, same equations it's going to be. And without having any dots, without having any sense of the winding, direction of the winding also, we are going to convert the magnetically coupled voltages with current controlled voltage source. That is going to be the outline of magnetically coupled. Now let us see, if I have one electrical conductor which is of solid conductor, and if some current is flowing in this direction. Okay, let me use different color. If some current is flowing in this direction, now the moment you have electrical current, associated magnetic field will be there, so that magnetic field will be in this direction. That's it. And one thing here is, as usual, we are not going to remember anything. Rather than that, we are going to, just a minute guys, whether the video is coming or not. Yeah. Okay, so we are not going to remember anything. Rather than that, we are going to own the things in a logical way. Now see, it's a kind of, if I have pole here, okay, ns pole here, now means already we know, right, some flux will be emanated from here, flux will be coming out here, and flux will be going in this direction from n to s. Whatever these flux lines are there, similar kind of flux red will be induced. And next thing is, one more thing, right hand thumb rule. Right hand only guys, right hand, I repeat, right hand. Okay, in right hand thumb rule means right hand. Okay, if it is indicating current, it is going to indicate direction of flux. Okay, if it is indicating direction of current, it is going to indicate direction of flux. Or else, if it is indicating direction of current, it is going to give you direction of flux. That's it. Okay, if I have okay, in this, if I inject current like this, let us go slowly from basics. Immediately we are going to transform ourselves to magnetically coupled networks. Okay, now the moment I have any electrical current here, see, sense of the winding, direction of the winding. Okay, so direction of the winding is like this. Now if I try to apply right hand thumb rule, my currents are being injected in this direction. See here, my currents are entering like this and leaving like this. My currents are entering in this direction, so my flux direction should be in this direction. Okay, in our electrical machines, we are going to use electromagnets. Meaning that means by injecting electrical current, we are going to set up the field. Pole setup will be formed by having electrical current, so we call them as electromagnets. Now, if I see here, means if some current is entering here, automatically my magnetic flux should be in this direction. So this is going to be my magnetic flux. Okay, see here, my current is in this direction, so my magnetic flux should be in this direction. In that way, my current is going to be developing the magnetic flux. Okay, now let us directly go to inductor, and then we will connect this to magnetically coupled. Okay, let me use different color buddies. These are going to be wire, in which if I inject current in this direction, how my flux direction is going to be? My flux direction is going to be in this direction. Okay, now because of that, some voltage will be induced. If I have time varying current here, di by dt, some time varying current here, automatically flux is going to be time varying. Now, if you think of conductors, these conductors are going to be influenced by change of magnetic field. Because of that, some voltage will be induced here, inductor voltage. Okay, now one thing, in order to understand transients, the best waveform is not sinusoidal. The best waveform to analyze transients will be trapezoidal. Okay, now let me think of my current is like this. My current in the inductor, Let me think of trapezoidal waveform. 0 to T1, my current is increasing linearly, and T1 to T2, my current is constant. T2 to T3, my current is reducing linearly. Okay, now if I try to write the equation by induced voltage, or let me write ERV is same guys, don't think of voltage drop is different, induced voltage is different. Ultimately voltage is a voltage. Okay, now that induced voltage is directly proportional to change of magnetic field set by Faraday. Okay, now if I have many number of turns, if one flux line is traveling like this, okay, now this flux line is going to link with all the number of turns, right? So because of this flux line, in all the turns you are going to have induced voltage. For example, if I think of one flux line is being traveling like this, now because of this particular flux line variation, you are going to get induced voltage in this turn, or induced voltage here will be directly depending upon the number of turns. So this is going to be N d pi by dt. Okay, and already we know that pi is directly proportional to I. Okay, or pi equal to k into I, or d pi by di equal to k constant. Now let me rewrite this as n into d pi by dt is nothing but d pi by di into di by dt. Okay, now what is this? Means d pi by di is constant or not? Yes. Number of turns are going to be constant or not? Yes. So entirely this is going to be constant. Okay, meaning that this means entire constant we are going to name it as a L, inductance into di by dt. Okay, n d pi by di is going to be inductance. In our transformers multiple times I use, right? L equal to n d pi by di, multiple times I use. So anyway, L into di by dt. Now why it became possible? Because pi is directly proportional to I. If pi is directly proportional to not I, it will become nonlinear circuits. The moment it is nonlinear, means it will end up with our electrical machines. But in network theory, we are in network theory now. In network theory, I is directly proportional to pi. Valid, because network theory is meant for linear. Okay, linear, lumped, passive, bilateral, causal, time invariant systems. Now, see here, if I try to consider which color? Okay, yellow. Okay, if I try to consider voltage across this, and multiple times people say that means E equal to n d pi by dt, or some guys say that minus n d pi by dt, and we say that this minus is because of Lenz's law. Okay, so because of this only multiple guys are confused. Okay, means don't bother about minus, it is not required. E is equal to n d pi by dt is sufficient. Don't go with minus, because minus is meant for some other purpose. In transformers we discussed already for electrical guys. Okay, so minus already we discussed why we have taken minus. Okay, I2 dash, something like that, pi 2 dash in opposite direction, that way we discuss. Now means we need not bother about minus at all, only plus n d pi by dt are equal to L di by dt. L di by dt. Now this is induced voltage or voltage across the inductance equal to L dIL by dt, because IL is the current flowing through the inductance. Okay, now 0 to T1, my current is increasing linearly. Okay, or di by dt, if I see, it is going to be constant or not slope. I is going to be an y axis, t is going to be an x axis. Okay, so di by dt is going to be the slope, dy by dx slope. Now from here to here slope is going to be constant, and t1 to t2 slope is constant, but that slope is 0, and t2 to t3 my current is reducing, meaning that my slope is going to be negative. Now if I try to draw voltages, of course in transients, same waveform I am going to take. In transients I am going to show you, okay, t2 to t3, if the time is reduced, what will happen here? Those repercussions we are going to see in transients, not required here. Now my induced voltage is going to be, from here to here it is going to be constant, because slope is constant, di by dt is going to be constant. From here di by dt is 0, from here di by dt, from here to here it is 0, and from here to here di by dt is in opposite direction. Okay, so this is going to be my VL, voltage across inductance. From here to here slope is positive, from here to here slope is 0, from here to here slope is going to be negative, which is constant again. So voltage across my inductance is going to be like this. Now let us try to understand power. Okay, let us try to understand power. After power, it means directly we are going to enter into the mutually coupled. Now if I think of power absorbed by this, now passive sign convention, you know, right? Now if you think of passive sign convention, in passive sign convention, if voltage is here, if current is entering into positive terminal, then power absorbed, instantaneous power absorbed is going to be V into I, meaning that voltage multiplied by current entering into positive terminal is going to be the power absorbed. Now see here, if you think of power, means my current is positive and voltage is positive, so IL into VL instantaneous is going to be positive, it will be like this. And after that means my current is positive, but voltage VL, yellow line, is 0, so my power absorbed is going to be 0 from here to here, and after that voltage became negative, current is positive but voltage became negative, so my instantaneous power is going to be like this. Right, see, means from here to here 0 to T1 my power is being absorbed, because absorbed power notation, if you see, means my current is entering into positive terminal of the voltage, meaning that from 0 to T1 my inductance is absorbing power, and T1 to T2 my inductance is neither absorbing nor delivering, and T2 to T3 my inductance is delivering power, because it is absorbing negative power, meaning that it is delivering power. How it is delivering power? Current is positive only, but voltage polarities has been reversed. Okay, see here, whenever di by dt is positive, means my voltage magnitude is going to be positive, instantaneous, and positive multiplied by positive, it is going to absorb power. Okay, and from here to here it neither absorb nor deliver. From T2 to T3 means my flux is going to be reducing, or my current is going to be reducing, meaning that my flux is going to be reducing. So because of that, my voltage polarities will be reversed. Okay, voltage polarities will be reversed, magnitude. Under that conditions, it is going to deliver power. Okay, meaning that from 0 to T1, what is happening? 0 to T1. Okay, so my flux is in this direction. Okay, see here, because my current is in this direction, so flux should be in this direction. Now the moment, see here, between 0 to T1, my current is increasing linearly, so my flux is also increasing inside. So while increasing in flux, my voltage polarities are positive, it is absorbing power. And when my flux magnitude is constant, then it will neither absorb nor deliver electrical power. And when my flux lines are reducing, voltage polarities are going to be reversed. Okay, means plus minus voltage magnitude is going to be negative. Under that conditions, it is going to deliver power, meaning that it's a conservation of power because it's a energy storage element. Forget about it. Now coming to here, if I have two inductors, okay, if I have, and let me think of one more color. Let me have I1 here. Okay, now because of I1, my flux will be produced. Okay, and this particular blue one is no way connected electrically. This is not connected electrically to anyone. It's kind of no way connected to this particular first coil. Now because of this I1, my currents are going to be in this direction. We need not represent. My currents are in this direction, so my flux is going to be in this direction. Okay, my currents are in this direction, so see here, right hand, currents are in this direction, so my flux created by this will be in this direction. Okay, out of total flux created by my first coil, some of the component of flux will travel through this, some of the component of flux will go through this. Okay, so some component of flux will link its own, and some component of flux may travel to the second coil. Okay, now if you see the sense of the winding of red, sense of the winding of red, sense of the winding of blue, both are same. Okay, so here also sense of the winding in this direction, here also sense of the winding in this direction. Now the moment by passive sign convention, my current is entering here, so I have to write plus minus VR0. Okay, so this is going to be my self-induced voltage because of its own flux. So let me write V11. Okay, because of I1, induced voltage is happening in the first coil, that is V11. Okay, now if I think of here, means see, sense of the winding is same, direction of the winding is same, and flux direction is same. So because of self here, if I get induced voltage of positive here, in this also means blue, in this also some positive voltage should be induced or not. Okay, so that particular positive voltage is happening because of first conductor in second. Okay, so this is going to be because of first in second V12. Okay, don't focus on 1 2 2 1 because ultimately our networks are going to be bilateral. Okay, so the moment networks are bilateral, you need not focus much on 1 2 2 1 1 2 2 1. It's okay. Now see here, out of total flux produced by first coil, okay, which is having two components. Okay, means my pi 1 produced, some component of pi 1 will go through the second one. Okay, that particular flux, let me call it as pi 12. This component of flux is pi 12. Okay, now because of flux of 1 created by 1, which is going through second, is going to be pi 12, and let me call this particular flux as leakage flux. Meaning that it is created by first conductor or first coil, which is linking its own but unable to reach the secondary, is called as leakage. So let me call this as leakage. Okay, now if I think of induced voltage of V12, okay, let me write here V12, induced voltage here is going to be how much? As usual, N d pi by dt, right? N d pi by dt. Here let me think of my number of turns here are N2, okay, is going to be N2 d pi by dt. Now what is this pi? Pi component is going to be pi 12. Now pi 12 is created because of pi 1. Pi 1 is created because of I1. Because of I1. So my pi 12 is directly proportional to I1 or not? Yes. So see here, blue is going to be equal to N2 into d pi 12 by di1 into di1 by dt. Okay, yeah, it's visible properly. Now this is going to be N2 d pi 12 by di1 is called as proportionality constant M12. Okay, means induced voltage is happening in second coil because of the first coil current or because of the first coil flux into di1 by dt. So this is going to be induced voltage in the second coil, even though second coil is no way connected electrically with the first coil. Now let us try to understand what is meant by coupling coefficient. Okay, see here, means if flux created by this, okay, how much percentage of flux created by pi 1 is able to reach second one is coefficient of coupling. Okay, if 100 flux lines are produced here, out of that means 80 flux lines are about to reach here, but 20 flux lines are unable to reach. What does it mean? Means my coupling coefficient is going to be 0.8 or 80%. Okay, now let me write coefficient of coupling. Coefficient of coupling, which is called as K. Now that particular K value will vary between 0 to 1. Okay, meaning that if these two are magnetically isolated, meaning that no component of flux created by first coil will reach second, no component. Under that condition, coefficient of coupling is going to be 0. Or if 100% of flux created by first coil is able to reach second, is nothing but coefficient of coupling of 1. Okay, in ideal transformer, coefficient of coupling is considered as 1. Okay, meaning that because some magnetic core will be there, so many things will be there. Forget about that, machines faculty will deal that. We are networks. Okay, in networks, whatever the flux lines are created here, 100% of flux lines are linking secondary. That is going to happen in ideal transformer. That's it, forget about it. Is going to be K is going to be 1. Now let us take same and let me do in reverse way, and then means at the end we are going to connect three coils, and then maja aayega. Okay, see here, my first coil is like this, and second coil is like this. Okay, now these two are magnetically coupled. Now if I have current is being produced here, okay, dot convention and all will come, just wait. Okay, see here, if I2 current is flowing in this particular coil, then how pi 2 is going to be induced? How pi 2, see here, I2 is going like this, meaning that my flux is going to be in this direction. This is pi 2. Okay, out of pi 2 means some component will travel like this, some component will travel like this, Now sense of the winding of blue and red are same, and the direction of flux is same. Okay, see here, now because of I2, forget about this, because of I2, some variation in I2, some voltage should be induced in the second coil or not. Yes, that is passive sign convention. So by passive sign convention, By passive sign convention, it's going to plus, it's going to minus. Whenever current is entering, I have to keep the plus. So that induced voltage is V22, self-induced voltage. Okay, because of I2 variation, some voltage is induced here. Okay, how much is that V22? V22 equal to, if I think of inductance of this is L2 into di2 by dt. Okay, mutual coupled networks we have to understand slowly. No need to have any rush feelings like it has to be completed. It will be completed. We are going to own it. Okay, now if I think of induced voltage here, okay, see here, means same sense of the winding, same direction of the winding, and flux is going to be in the same direction. Okay, here because of this particular variation in current, variation in flux will be there. In that variation in flux, some component of variation of flux is going through first also. So in the first you are going to get some induced voltage or not? Yes. So that induced voltage, okay, here if it is induced plus, automatically plus also, plus only should be induced here. Okay, how much should be that induced voltage here? Because of second, induced voltage in first, because of second flux, induced voltage in first. Okay, so how much is V21 is going to be M21 into D, because of the change in current I2 by dt. Same like di2 by d pi, di by d pi can be written like this, right? D pi 21 by di2 into di2 by dt can be written. But anyway, this is going to be the thing. This is going to be the induced voltage here. Now let me have both the coils are having currents. Okay, now and the second one is blue. Okay, in this let me have currents. Okay, if some current is flowing in this direction, which is of I1, if some current is flowing in this direction, which is of I2, now let us interact both the things. Then gradually you are going to have addition, subtraction of fluxes, etc., etc. we are going to get. Okay, now this is I1. Now because of this I1, how my flux is going to be developed, in which direction my flux is going to be developed? My I1 is in this direction, my I1 is in this direction, or I can say that my I1 is in this direction, I1 is in this direction, meaning that my flux is going to be in this direction, right hand, I repeat, right hand. Okay, so my currents are in this direction, so flux is going to be in this direction. So this is the flux pi 1. Now if I think of the second coil, okay, in second coil I2, when current is entering, again my currents are going to be in the same sense of the winding. See here, in my second coil also, sense of the winding is going to be same, current directions are going to be same, so my flux is going to be in the same direction of pi 1. So this is pi 2. Okay, now see here, for time being, let us assume that this is not there. Okay, means I'm focusing on right, and this blue coil is not there. Blue coil is not there. Under that conditions, means how much induced voltage will be induced? Means because of I1, variation of I1, because of variation of pi 1, some induced voltage will be induced here by passive sign convention. Whenever current is entering, we have to keep plus. Okay, now that particular voltage magnitude may be positive or negative. If current is in increasing order, voltage magnitude is going to be positive and it is going to absorb power. And if my current magnitude is in reducing order, or when di by dt is negative, under that conditions, polarities of voltage is going to be reversed. Okay, ultimately plus will be here only, minus will be here only, but this particular magnitude of voltage is going to be reversed. Okay, such that from coil it is going to deliver power. Okay, now this is going to be my induced voltage is going to be V11. Okay, why V11 is induced? Because of self inductance, because of self flux. Okay, now if I think of here in blue, Okay, in blue, if you see, current is entering here, flux is going in this direction. Now only self I'm discussing as of now. Okay, forget about red. Okay, I'm focusing on blue. Red is not there, for example, because means red flux is not there, red coil is not there. Under that condition, the moment current is entering here, automatically voltage will be induced here. And this is second coil, so this is V22, self-induced voltages. Self-induced voltages by passive sign convention. Okay, now let us try to understand blue only. Okay, now means combined. If you see, whenever this coil flux is in this direction, this coil flux also in the same direction. Okay, when this particular current is existing I1, flux is in this direction pi 1. When chi2 is being existing, under that condition pi 2 is aiding pi 1 or not? Yes. When pi 2 is aiding pi 1, okay, so because of pi 1 some voltage is induced here, because of pi 2 some component, because some portion of pi 2 will travel through this and some portion of pi 2 will go through this, will go through its own leakage kind of stuff. Okay, now because of existence of pi 2, net magnitude of flux is increased or not? Yes. When net magnitude of flux is increased, means because of flux variation only you are going to get induced voltage. That induced voltage should be increased or not? Right? That induced voltage should be increased, meaning that, see, plus here, minus here, induced voltage because of 2 in 1. Okay, I hope it's visible, because of 2 in 1. Okay, see here, blue, because of blue current, because of blue flux, some voltage will be induced in coil number 1. Okay, that voltage should be increased. Okay, or that particular voltage, induced voltage because of second conductor current, okay, should aid the self, because self is also in this direction and this particular flux is also in this direction. Because of existence of pi 2, net flux here is going to be increased. Net flux is increased, meaning that net induced voltage has to be increased. Now if I think of red, okay, when red is not there, then plus minus induced voltage will be induced depending upon the passive sign convention. Now when red is there, because of pi 1, net flux interacting with this coil is increased or not? Yes, because they are in the same aiding direction. Okay, now because of existence of pi 1, net magnitude of flux is increased, meaning that net induced voltage across this should be increased because of pi 1. Okay, now it means pi 2 is there, pi 1 is there, pi 1 is in aiding direction with respect to pi 2, and because of pi 2 self-induced voltage is there, because of pi 1 mutual induced voltage will be there, because of this flux induced voltage will be there here. That induced voltage should aid self-induced voltage or not? Yes. So here it is going to be plus, here it is going to minus, because of first flux induced voltage in the second. Now let me draw total voltage here, V1. Okay, total voltage here V1 means this particular positive negative will be decided by direction of current here, passive sign convention. Now what is total V1? Means apply KVL. Means already I told you previously only, whenever you touch minus, use minus, whenever you touch plus, use plus. Voltage drops, we are going to consider it as positive. Now whenever I touch minus of V1, or if you send it to the other side, V1 equal to plus. So V1 equal to plus V11 plus V21. So the equation is going to be V11 self without having this component is going to be L1 di1 by dt plus M because of 2 induced voltage in 1 into because of I2, because of pi 2 induced voltage here, and that pi 2 component means out of that total pi 2, some component of pi 2 is interacting with this, and that particular portion of pi 2 will be produced by I2. So di2 because of I2 happening in first coil. Okay, now let me draw blue. Okay, let me draw blue. My current is entering here, so plus here, minus here. I2 is entering here by passive sign convention, plus should be here, and this is going to be V2. Now how much is V2? V2 is going to be minus of V2, or V2 equal to plus. So this is going to be V22 plus V12. right? Now this is V2 to self is going to be L2 by its own di2 by dt plus, because of first coil induced voltage in second coil, because of first induced voltage in second, into because of first di1 by dt. Okay, now in this way equations we are going to form. Now next thing is, this is fine. Now let me take the same coils and let me keep dots. Okay, see here, I don't know whether copy function is there in this or not. Okay, let me draw. Now because of I2 means the same thing we are going to convert into dots, and from dots we are going to write equations, and same thing we are going to consider, and we are going to convert into like current controlled voltage source. Okay, after that we will go to 3 coils. Okay, after 3 coils you will get, okay, right? Now because of I2, how my flux direction, right hand I2 flux is in this direction, so flux is in this direction pi 2, and because of I1 my flux direction is in this direction pi 1. Okay, now because of pi 1 induced voltage here is V11, and because of pi 2 means net flux is going to be increased, so net induced voltage should aid, mutually induced voltage should aid self induced voltage, because of pi 1 self induced voltage is this, because of pi 2 mutual net flux is increased, net voltage should be increased, meaning that this particular mutual induced voltage should aid self induced voltage. So plus here, minus here, V because of 2 1. Okay, now let me think of blue. With blue current is entering here, so plus here, minus here, this is self, and because of red net flux is increasing, so plus minus net induced voltage should increase, and this is going to be induced voltage because of 1 in 2, right? Now how dots has to be placed, okay, see here, whenever, relax guys, whenever my current is entering, for self it is positive terminal, red. Now means whenever this current is here, means how my induced voltage here, mutual induced voltage here plus, okay, relax. Whenever current is entering here, means self induced voltage will give you positive here, and whenever the current is here, how mutual induced voltage, which terminal of mutual induced voltage is going to be positive, is going to be here. Okay, here if you take red, here you have to take red. Okay, or in another way, which color has to be used, I don't know, I'll use this color, hope it's visible. Okay, otherwise if you take blue is fine. Okay, otherwise I'll take red or okay, red. Okay, so whenever this self is positive, this mutual is going to be positive, fine. Or whenever this self blue, whenever this self is positive, mutual is going to be positive. Anywhere we can keep the dots. Okay, once you keep the dots, see here, forget about the analysis, because why we are converting the given thing into dot convention, because means here always I should draw the sense of the winding, because without knowing the sense of the winding, direction of the winding, current will be there, but without knowing direction of winding, how to find pi 2 direction, pi 1 direction, without knowing the direction of fluxes, How to find induced voltage polarities? Because if pi 2 is in opposite direction, okay, I'm about to show in the next example, means if pi 2 is in opposite direction, then net flux is going to be reduced. So net induced voltage should be reduced, meaning that my mutual induced voltage should be against to self-induced voltage. Got my point, right? Anyway, for time being, it's enough. Now, let us see here, means here direction of the winding is required. Now, you can eliminate direction of winding by converting these particular coils into dots. So, see here, this is one coil and the second coil is blue. The moment coils are represented in this way, can I apply right hand thumb rule? No, no. With sense of the winding, direction of the winding only, I'll be able to apply this. But means the same thing, pi 1, pi 2 are aiding. That particular aiding nature of the flux, we are going to represent with the dots. Okay. See here, let me use red, red. Right? At starting, left side, left side, left side, left side. And here, my I1 is going in this direction. And my I2 is going in this direction. Okay. Now, let us try to, because directly they can give this or directly they can give a dot convention. From dot convention also we'll be able to write equations. Jujube. Okay. See here, first of all, self will be there, mutual will be there. Okay. Now, when self meaning that my current entry point you have to keep positive, self-induced voltage. Self-induced voltage. Whatever may be the current entry point, you have to keep plus. See here, my current entry point plus will be there. Current entry point plus will be there. That is self. Okay. And that particular magnitude of voltage plus will be there. That magnitude of voltage can be positive or can be negative depending upon whether increment of current or increment of flux is happening or decrement of flux or decrement of current is happening. Okay. Now, see here, for self, I forget about dots. Dots are not required. For self-induced voltage, current is entering here, so plus minus self-induced voltage. Self-induced voltage. Now, means see here, relax. Because of this current, some voltage should be induced here. Because of this current, some voltage is induced here. Whenever my current is entering into dot, see here, focus. Whenever my current is entering into dot, this dot will become positive, mutual. Okay. So, see here, whenever my current is entering into dot, this dot will become positive. This is because of 2 in 1. Now, let us think of blue. Whenever means, forget about the dot, self, forget about the dot, plus minus V22, self-induced voltage. Now, see here, means self is over. About mutual we have to understand, meaning that depending upon somewhere current, we are going to get induced voltage here because these two coils are mutually coupled. Okay. Now, here, in order to understand mutual, we have to find out the current here. If my current is entering into dot, okay, if my current is entering into dot, this dot is going to become positive. This is going to be induced voltage because of first into. Okay, see here, relax. Once the dots are being transformed here, forget about that. Okay, because see here, if my current is entering into this dot, meaning that this flux is going to aid this flux. Okay, now anyway, forget about all. See, for self current is important. For mutual, means if this current is entering into dot, this dot will become positive. Or if this current is entering into dot, this dot is going to be positive. That's it. Now let us write total V1 because I1 is entering here, so total V1, because ultimately it may be inductance or mutual inductance, passive only. Okay. Now let me write equation minus of V1. If I write equation in this direction, I am going to touch minus first, minus of V1, or if you send it to the other side, it's going to be V1. Now V1 equal to V11 plus V21. Okay. In that, self is going to be L1 di1 by dt plus M21 because of second induced voltage in first. Problem solved. Now let me write blue. Current is entering here, so this is going to be V2. Now what is V2? V2 is going to be minus of V2 or V2 equal to plus V22 plus V12. Don't focus on 1 to 2 1. Gradually you will be habituated with it. Okay. Now this is going to V22 self L2 di2 by dt plus M12 di1 by dt. Okay. Induced voltage in second coil because of current variation in first coil. Okay. Now same thing. Let me convert it into without dots also. Okay, without dots also. See here, the moment these two voltages are aiding, without dots also we can transform. See, this is going to be or my now if I think of I1 here, okay, so meaning that across this is V1. This is going to be, see, V11 or L1 di1 by dt. So L1 di1 by dt plus M12 di2 by dt. So M12 di2 by dt. Where are the dots? Dots are not required because actually that mutually induced voltage has been converted into current controlled voltage source. Okay. Now this is di2 by dt. Now in blue, if I think of this as I2, voltage is going to be V2. V2 equal to L2 di by dt plus M because of 1 into di1 because of current 1 dt. In this way it can be written, equations can be written. Okay. Now let me think of 3 coils or 2 coils. Sorry guys. Let me think of 2 coils only in opposite directions, and after that we will go to 3 coils. Means once we enter into 3 coils, once 3 coils are completed, you are going to get clarity. Okay, means this is the process. Means if we follow the process, we are not going to get any mistake. Now let me have see here, I1 is in this direction and I2 is in this direction. Now let us try to understand. Okay. Now the moment I1 is entering in this direction, I1 entering in this direction, then how my pi 1 is going to be? Pi 1 is going to be in this direction, right? Pi 1 is going to be in this direction. Pi 1. Okay. Now if you think of I2 is going in opposite direction, right? Because if you see sense direction of the winding, okay, it is wounded like this. Okay, it is wounded like this. It is wounded like this, Okay. So if I2 is like this, my current is going to be like this. Okay, meaning that my currents are like this. Okay, my currents are like this, meaning that my flux is going to be in this direction. See here, my currents are like this, my flux is going to be in this direction. Now let us think of self and mutual. Okay, now the moment current is entering, self plus minus V11 self, right? Now if I think of mutual, blue, see here, the moment current is entering here, for example, this blue is not there. When blue is not there, when my current is entering in this direction, okay, automatically flux is in this direction. Because of that particular direction of flux, I am going to get induced voltage here. Now let us consider existence or presence of blue. Now because of blue current, my blue flux is against to pi 1, against to pi 1. Now net flux in first coil is going to be reduced. When net flux is reduced, automatically net induced voltage also should be reduced. Meaning that because of pi 2, whatever may be the induced voltage is being induced here, that should reduce self-induced voltage, or that particular voltage should be against to self-induced voltage, such that net induced voltage is going to be reduced. So this is going to be plus, this is going to be minus, this is going to be minus, this is V because of 2 in 1, because of 2 in 1. Okay, now let us think of blue. In blue, what's happening? See, whenever my current is entering here, plus, minus, this is V2 to self. Okay, now because of right side direction of flux, induced voltage is like this. Because of right side direction of flux, induced voltage is like this. Now because of pi 1 existence, my net flux here is going to be reduced. So net induced voltage across the terminals has to be reduced, meaning that because of pi 1, some induced voltage will be there here. That induced voltage should be in opposite direction with respect to self. Okay, it should be self is plus current entering point. So this could minus, this is V because of 1 in 2. Okay, now let us try to write down the equations. Because current is entering here I1, so entering current positive V1. Now V1, we are going to solve multiple problems. You will be confused multiple times, but it's okay, because without rupture here in the mind, we don't understand, or our subcon won't understand. Now V1 is going to minus of V1, or V1 equal to plus V11 minus V21, meaning that L1 di1 by dt minus M21 di2 by dt. Okay, because of second conductor current or second coil current, induced voltage here, di2 by dt. Now let us try to draw for V2, plus minus V2. Why? My current is entering here, so plus will come here. I hope it's plus here, minus here, V2. Okay, now let me write V2 equal to minus of V2, or V2 equal to plus V22 minus V12, meaning that this is going to be V22 is L2 di2 by dt self because of its own, and minus M12 d because of I1 induced voltage in 2, so di1 with respect to dt. These are going to be equations. Okay, now let us go ahead with what do you say, clone. Let us consider the same, and let us convert this into dot convention, and with dot convention let us see how the same equations are going to be formed. Okay, let me try here. Clone. Oh, it will not come to the next page, is it? Okay, I'll erase this. Let me try it again. I don't take much time because already you got habituated for it. Okay, now let me try to convert this into dots. Okay, see here, if I show without sense of the winding, okay, see here, red I1, blue I2. Now because of self, I2 is entering here, so self is going to be plus minus V22. self, and because of self I1 plus minus V11, okay. Now see here, because of this flux, because see here means I1 is in this direction, so because of that pi1 is in this direction and I2 is in this direction, because of that pi2 is in opposite direction, okay. So means see here, whenever positive, okay, self to mutual, whenever current is entering here, plus here minus, whenever current is entering here, so this is going to be 1 1 1. Whenever current is entering here, this is going to be plus minus V22. Now if I consider, because of this flux, induced voltage here should be in opposite direction, plus minus, okay. So this is going to be V because of 1 into, and because of this current it should be in opposite direction, plus minus, this is going to be V because of 2 in 1. Now how to keep dots? Only self to mutual, red we can consider, or blue we can consider. So red if I take here, means whenever here this is dot, mutual this is going to be dot, can be considered. Or in another way, self to mutual, or you can keep the dot here such that this is self and this is mutual positive. This is self positive, this is going to be mutual positive, or this is going to be self positive, mutual is going to be positive, it's okay, okay. Meaning that you can keep dots, okay, dot on the left hand side, right hand side. So dot on the left hand side, dot on the right hand side can be taken, and let me try to represent the mutual induced voltage, and with respect to blue also same thing will come. Let us see here, whenever my current is entering into dot, this dot is going to be positive, red only, so this dot is going to be positive, okay. That particular magnitude is going to be because of 1 into, or we may consider here, okay. If I can, because both the things need not be considered, only one thing is enough. Now if I have, for example, if I keep the dot here, now my blue current is entering into dot, so blue is going to positive, negative, this is going to be V because of 2 in 1, okay. So if I consider both the dots, or else let us see by considering only one dot. I1 self will be like this, V11, I2 self will be like this, V22, okay. After that, if I take red dots, only one dot, okay. So if red dot is here, red dot is going to be here, right. Now whenever, see here, now whenever this current is entering into dot, this dot is going to become positive, this is going to be because of 1 into, or in opposite way, means from here to here also should come, no. Whenever blue current is entering into undot, this undot is going to be positive, this is going to be because of 2 in 1, okay. See here, whenever this current is entering into dot, this dot is going to be positive, or whenever this current is entering into undot, this undot is going to be positive. Whenever this current is entering into undot, because this is dot, this is undot, right. So whenever this current is entering into undot is going to be positive, problem solved, okay. Now if you are a bit confused, right, under that conditions, watch it again, not a problem, okay. Now we will be able to convert this into by converting it into dependent sources also. You know that, right? It's simple. Okay, let me write. Okay, let me write. See here, this is going to be L1 this is going to be I1, this is going to be V1, this is going to be L1 minus plus M because of 2 in 1 because of 2, right? V1, where is the equation? Okay, so V1 minus V1 or V1 equal to L1 di1 by dt minus M21 di2 by dt. In that way, that's it. Now let us see, if I consider 3 coils, what will happen? Okay, after this you are going to get the confidence. Let me have red, okay, red, and after that blue, and after that yellow, now my red current I1, blue current I2, let me change yellow current I3 like this. Okay, we have to identify the direction of fluxes. Okay, see here, my current is like this, sense of the winding, so my pi 1 is in this direction, right? My pi 1 is in this direction, so it is going to be pi 1 is in this direction. And if you see blue, I2 is in this direction, in opposite direction. See, my winding, sense of the winding or direction of the winding is like this, so pi 2 should be in opposite direction. Pi 2. Now let me think of yellow. Okay, so in yellow, how my current is flowing? Current is entering from this terminal, not left side terminal. Now my current is entering like this. See, my winding is like this. So my current is entering like this. So my pi 3 will be in this direction. Pi 3 is going to be like this. Okay, now let me think of self-induced voltages. Okay, so let me draw a bit line like this. Okay, now my I1 is entering here, so plus minus V11. Okay, and here my I2 is entering here, so plus minus V22. My I3 is entering here, so plus minus V33. Okay, now if I don't have pi 2 pi 3, my pi 1 will be in this direction. Because of that I got that voltage. Now because of presence of pi 2 is in opposite direction with respect to pi 1, so because of presence of pi 2, net flux is reduced, meaning that net induced voltage should be reduced, meaning that because of pi 2 induced voltage will be there here, that induced voltage should be against to self-induced voltage. So plus will come here, minus will come here, against to self-induced voltage. Just a minute, guys. Against to self-induced voltage, so this is going to be V because of 2 in 1. Okay, now let me think of yellow. Now forget about pi 2 and pi 3 combinedly. When pi 1 is in this direction, induced voltage is like this. Now let us consider pi 3. Because of pi 3 means with respect to pi 1, net magnitude of flux is reduced. So because of pi 3, induced voltage should be there here. That should be against to self-induced voltage. Okay, so here plus minus because of 3 in 1. Okay, now let us see here. Now forget about these two. Self, when pi 2 is in this direction, self is like this. Now if I consider pi 1, because of pi 1 net flux is going to be varied. So because of pi 1 net flux is varied, meaning that because of pi 1 net induced voltage across each and every coil should vary because they are mutually coupled. Okay, now when pi 2 is in this direction, induced voltage is like this. When pi 1 is opposite to pi 2, meaning that because of existence of pi 1, net flux in the coil 2 is going to be reduced. So my induced voltage because of existence of pi 1 should be against to self-induced voltage. So is this red? Yes, red. So self-induced is like this. It should be against plus minus induced voltage because of 1 in 2. Because of 1 in 2. Now let us think of between this and this yellow. Okay, see here, when not there, pi 2 is in this direction. Now because of pi 3 is also in the same direction. Pi 3 is also in the same direction. So because of pi 3, net flux is increased here. So net induced voltage should be increased here. In the sense, because of pi 3, whatever may be the induced voltage in second coil should aid the self-induced voltage. So it should be yellow. Self is blue. So it should be plus minus V because of 3 into. Because of 3 into. Now let us come back to third. Because of pi 3, voltage is like this. Because of pi 3, voltage is like this. Because of pi 1, net flux is radius. So because of pi 1, some induced voltage will be there in 3. That particular voltage should be against to self-induced voltage. So plus here, minus here. So this is going to be V because of 1 in 3. Because of 1 in 3. Now because of blue. Okay, now because of pi 3 in this direction, because of pi 3, self is like this, and pi 2 is in the same direction. So because of existence of pi 2, net induced voltage across third coil should be increased, blah blah blah. So self is here. So this is V because of 2 in 3. Now let us write total equations. My current is entering here, so let me consider plus here, minus here, V1. Now V1, okay, or V1, see here, means if I apply KVL like this, minus of V1, or V1 equal to plus minus minus. So total V1 equal to V11 minus V21 minus V31. So that is going to be L1 di1 by dt self minus M21 d because of second in first minus M31 because of 3 in first. Okay, let me write yellow, blue. Okay, so V2 equal to my net V2, I2 is entering here, so net V2 plus minus V2 is like this. Okay, so net V2 minus of V2 or V2 equal to plus minus plus. So this is going to be V22 self minus V12 mutual plus V32, meaning that this is going to be L2 di2 by dt self L2 di2 by dt minus M12 d by dt of because of 1 into is going to because of 1 into di1 plus M32 into d because of 3 in 2. Because of 3 in 2. Let me write last one only. Okay, last one, I3 is entering here, so let me consider V3 here. So let me go in this way, minus of V3 or V3 equal to plus V33 minus V13 plus V23. Okay, so this is going to be L3 di3 by dt minus M13 di1 by dt because of I1 plus M23 di2 because of second is going to be this. Okay, is going to be this. Right. Now let us take the same and let us try to keep the dots, and from the dots let us derive the same equations problem solved. Actually I am unable to copy this. Let me try again. Let me try here. No, it's like, what's the big deal? It may take a couple of minutes more. That's it. Now red, after that blue, and after that yellow, and yellow current is like this, blue current is like this, and red current is like this. The red current is like this. Okay, now we know that this flux is in this direction, phi 1, and this current is in this direction, phi 2, and this current is in this direction, phi 3. Okay, now fatapat let us try to do, means this is, okay, so this is entering, so plus minus V11, and because of yellow opposite direction, so induced voltage should be opposite, plus minus. Okay, this is going to be V because of 2 in 1, because of yellow both are in opposite direction, so it should be against to self, V31. And let me write other things also. This is because of self, plus minus V22, and because of red they are in opposite direction, so plus minus V because of 1 in 2, because of yellow both are in the same direction, so V because of 3 in 2, because of self I3 plus minus V33, and because of red both are in opposite direction, so plus minus V because of 1 in 3, and blue these are in the same direction, so it should aid self. Okay, is going to be V because of 2 in 3. Now we are supposed to keep dots. Simple. Means self mutual, now self mutual, because different what do you say, diagrams we have to use for the coupling. Okay, so from here to here to here, problem solved. And now after that let me consider blue. Okay, because between this and this is over, and between this and this has to be considered. Now let me consider star, self, star, mutual. Okay, so let me draw this. Blue, and yellow. Okay, so this is going to be L1 self, L2 self, L3 self. Okay, now my currents are in this direction, I1. My current here is on the left side only, in this direction, I2, and yellow current is in this direction. Now let us keep dots. Circle, second one circle, first one circle I1 entering, second one circle I2 leaving. So this is going to be circle, and this is going to be circle. Okay, see guys, red. Okay, and after that if you see triangle, red, this is entry point, this is exit point. Okay, so see here, this is going to be, let me use different colors here, star, let me use different color. Okay, anyway, this is triangle, so this is triangle, and here this is triangle. Now let me think of star, blue. Okay, star is I2 entry point, is star, and I3 entry point is star, right? Battery, guys. Okay, now let us see here, if my I1 is entering, if I1 is entering into dot, I1 is entering into dot, this dot is going to be positive. Okay, so this is going to be V because of 1 into, okay, now I1 is entering into triangle, so this triangle should be positive. Okay, so this is going to be V because of 1 in 3, because of 1 in 3. Now that is over. Now I2 is entering into, star, I2 is entering into star, meaning that this star should be positive, negative, so this is going to be V. This is going to be I2 is entering into star, so this star should be positive, and this is because of V, because of 2 in 3. Got my point, right? Now let us see here. Relax. Actually, battery is about to die, it seems, for this recording. So within 5 minutes I have to complete. Okay, otherwise also we can do that, not a problem. Now see here, my I1 is entering into this, we kept for this triangle, we kept the dot, for this circle we kept the dot, fine. Now I2 is entering into star, blue, I2 is entering into star, so this star should be positive, problem solved. I2 is entering into undot of circle, I2 is entering into undot of circle, I2 is entering into undot of circle, so undot of circle should be positive. Okay, undot of circle should be positive with respect to this. See here guys, relax. Now I2 is entering into undot of circle, so my undot of circle should be positive, so this is going to be V because of 2 in 1. Okay, so I2, 2 are over. Now let us think of I3. Okay, let us think of I3. Okay, now I3 is entering into star, I3 is entering into star, so this star should be positive. I3 is entering into star, so this star should be positive, so this is going to be V because of 3 in 2. Okay, now I3 is entering into undot of triangle, I3 is entering into undot of triangle, I3 is entering into undot of triangle, so undot of triangle is going to be positive. Okay, undot of triangle is going to be positive, undot of triangle, because I3 is entering into undot of triangle, so undot of triangle should be positive, so this is going to be V because of 3 in 1. On top of that, self, 3 mutuals we included, so we have to include the self. Okay, for self I1 is entering, so plus minus V11, I2 is entering plus minus V22, and I3 is entering plus minus V33. Now we can write down the same equations, right? So means by this we came to know that how to convert this into dots, from the dots how to write equations. Okay, means one equation I'll try to write. V1 equal to V11 minus V21 minus V31, so L1 di1 by dt minus M21 di2 by dt because of second, minus M31 di3 by dt. Same equations can be developed or not? Yes. Okay, in the next session we'll continue the remaining portion. I'm K.N. Rao. I completed 20 years of teaching experience in only GATE and ESC. By February 2021, I completed 20 years. And my favorite subjects are machines, network theory, and power systems. And this is my code KNR10. Use this code in order to unlock free initiatives, kind of, it can be special classes or it can be combat. And if you are yet to download Unacademy app, download now itself and use the code KNR10. And you can use the KNR10 code to get 10% discount also in paid platforms, and also you will get my personal guidance. And the next thing is, in Unacademy there are 2 kinds of paid platforms. One is Plus platform and another one is Iconic platform. In Plus platform you are going to get live classes, weekly tests, rank improvement batches, crash courses, and doubt solving sessions, Hindi and English batches. I hope I completed everything good. And in Iconic subscription, whatever you are going to get in Plus, everything you are going to get. On top of that, you are going to get one personal coach. That personal coach will help you in realizing your weaker sections by analyzing your online tests. Okay, once you come to know your weaker sections, automatically your subconscious mind will work, right, in order to strengthen them. And the next one more advantage of Iconic subscription is dedicated doubt clearing instructors will be there. The moment you get the doubt, immediately it's going to be resolved. And extra things, kind of study plan also they are going to provide, and preparatory study materials also they are going to provide for Iconic subscription. My personal suggestion is, if you are working guy, go for Iconic. Okay. And in Plus platform, 2434 per month for 12 months after deducting 10% discount by using KNR10 code. After 10% discount, it is going to be 2434 per month, and it's going to be no cost EMI only. That's why I'm focusing on per month subscription. And for 18 months, if you take, it's going to be 2065 per month, and for 24 months, it's going to be 1770 per month for Plus. And Iconic subscription is going to be 3769 per month for 12 months, and 3225 per month for 18 months, and 2775 per month for 24 months. And Unacademy is going to about to hike the fee structure. So if you are serious aspirant, try to take as soon as possible. And this is Unacademy Combat. Every Sunday, Unacademy is going to conduct this Unacademy Combat. 20 questions will be there, and 1 hour they are going to provide. One advantage of Combat, I'll tell you, normally if you take any other online test series platform, because I have been here for 20 years, right? Normally questions will not be prepared by faculties in any online test series. Means questions will be prepared by content team. Content team in the sense last year topper, last to last year topper. They might, create some questions. But will they know the boundaries of the subject? No. Faculties know boundaries of the subject, how to handle the subject, and which type of questions can be expected in upcoming GATE or ESE. Okay, but students know, like, though they are toppers, normally students will give questions in any other online test series. So the advantage of online test series are kind of Combat. These particular questions will be curated by faculties, India's leading faculties. So obviously, with the boundaries, you are going to get the question paper. Okay, and that too, they are going to provide 100% subscription, means 100% discount will be provided for some candidates, and discount remaining 75% discount, high 50% discount, 25% discount, and lucky draw. Okay, there are so many things. Try to utilize this opportunity if you are unable to pay the fee structure. And in Unacademy, you can ask any number of doubts. Okay, means unlimited number of doubts can be asked. And live mentoring, 1:1, live mentoring will be there. This is meant for only for Iconic subscription. Iconic subscription. Okay. And these are the batches. Obviously, for electrical, my pick will be there, and for EC, my pick will not be there. This is Arohan batch for GATE or ESE 2023 electrical, and Arohan batch GATE or ESE 2023 ECE, and Ver batch for GATE 2023, Ver batch for GATE 2023. Okay, ECE and electrical. And this is my Unacademy. Link. You can follow me here such that whenever I take any special class, you will get the notifications, and obviously you may not miss any class. Okay. And this is our Telegram channel link, t.me/kmra123, and this is our entire GATE Conqueror team Telegram channel. Okay. Kindly come here such that you will get regular DPPs, class notes, and our interaction. Okay. Many things you are going to get. And thank you guys. Thank you so much. Kindly like the session, share the session to the maximum, because these are our free initiatives. Free initiatives should reach to the maximum people such that it may help